That was lit.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotions.
Alright, buti na lang may restroom break kami, right?
Yeah, sobrang lamig.
Oy Jen, say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog!
Yeah, that's how we do it. Namiss ko tuloy si Cams. Uy Cams!
Pang ano yun?
Bumalik ka na dito.
Bumalik ka na.
Sana mapanood, mare. Ayaw niya kasi talaga magpakita. 5 minutes lang to. 5 minutes lang si Doc. Pero alam mo, sobrang kakaiba yung Gen Ana to namin ngayon, unlike before. At I hope may enjoy ko talaga to. Hi po, Doc. Hi! Yan! That was lit! Binigyan niya kami ng restroom break pero ginamit na lang namin painit dito sa labas. Kasi sobrang lamig talaga sa loob, as in sobrang lamig. Here's OP and he'll be leaving. I don't know when.
Hey! Okay, today's date is January 12, 13. Who cares? And okay, it's 13. That's an unlucky number actually.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving after tomorrow. Probably won't be coming back and won't see you guys anymore. But I'm glad to be in this video. You know, as
one of the saddest experience ng pagiging dentistry student ay yung ano no, yung mabawasan kayo lagi ng number. And ngayon ano na lang, parang tatlo na yung nawala sa batch namin.
Ngayong Monday na-meet namin yung aming bagong instructor at bago lang din siya dito sa AUP, dito sa COD. At naku po, hindi agad papawat. Turo agad siya. I don't have any problem with that. Kasi, lingid sa kaalaman nyo, I love anatomy. Very seriously, yes, I love it. Pati kami sa point na natutunan namin kung bakit bukas pa yung bunbunan ng bata pagkapanganak. Hindi lang yun basta malambot, or basta hindi pa nagko-close, but there's a very interesting reason behind that. It's for our moms. Para hindi sila mahirapan sa panganak. Maybe that's all for today. See you Tuesday.
Good morning. It's 6:49 in the morning at sobrang aga akong nagising. Hindi talaga ako ganito usually nagigising. May class kami ngayon at 7 o'clock. At syempre bawal malate kasi, you know. Kaya see you guys. Baka malate ako. Wow! Early bird! Early bird, early bird, it's me, early bird. Akala ko, ako lang yung tao dito. Mas nauna pa pala. It's break time right now. At yun lang talaga yung time namin para mag-shoot. Hi May. This is May. She's from Malaysia. You're Malaysian, right?
Yep.
And that girl.
Who's that girl?
Who's that girl? That's Adena. Nina, for short. This is how we do it. Malasado yung itlog mo?
Oo, malasado. Labas ko na ba? Gusto mo labas ko itlog ko dito?
Malakas itlog mo?
Gusto mo labas ko itlog ko dito?
Patikim nga itlog mo? Okay, good news para sa lahat ng mga dentistry students. Walang klase ngayon.
Wala!
Postpone yung class kasi
Bago!
ililipat yung mga upuan. Guys, see you.
hey, Shine. You probably forgot me by the time you see this, all of you guys.
I'll be giving you something.
I'm proud of
Just a
you.
kitchen.
I'm proud of you all. You're going to rock the inventive.
So ngayon, pupunta kami sa... No, hindi naman Enchanted Kingdom, sa Santa Rosa para pa-farewell namin dun sa kaklase namin na alis na, pabalik na siya ng India. At di na, baka, who knows, baka makita pa rin namin siya pero very low na yung percentage. Low percentage na magkikita pa ulit kami. So, see you guys. Face though.
Last four yan.
Here we go to the final round. It will be Jugs. Hi Jugs versus Teddy. And the winner is Teddy. Okay, kakain na kami. Kasi dito na yung mga food. And maybe this is all for today. Bye! Ngayong Tuesday, natakal namin yung iba't ibang anomalies na makikita sa oral, pati na rin sa facial. At nakita namin doon yung iba't ibang mga cases na talagang very rare cases na minsan mga 1 out of 15,000 people lang sa buong mundo yung nagkakaroon. Seeing the pictures and imagining their situation, sobrang sakit sa puso, sobrang sakit kasi nakakalungkot, sobrang nakakalungkot. I've come to this realization na dapat tayo maging thankful. Kasi sobrang swerte natin kasi hindi tayo nagkaroon ng ganung mga cases. Pero I'm not saying na they're unlucky. I'm saying na ngayon that we're living normally, we should not waste our time. We should not waste the life that God has given unto us. We should live this life loving one another, being a blessing to others. Maybe that will be all for today. See you Wednesday. Oh, it's Wednesday. It's chilling right here, and we're done with our first class, microbiology, and now we're up to our next class. Oopsie, oopsie, doopsie, oopsie, doopsie. Morning, po, Doc. Morning. Oh, shoot. Hi. We're done with our classes for today. Yeah! Woo! We had early dismissal. Half day kami. Half day lang, half day. It's like, no. It's normal kasi every Wednesday half day lang talaga kami. Kita nyo naman, we didn't do much kanina. Sobrang igsi lang ng mga class. But it doesn't mean na wala ka nang matututunan kahit sobrang igsing time. Sa microbiology kanina, natutunan ko na you have to know your enemies for you to be able to prepare and prevent conflicts. At kanina naman, sa dental nutrition, I've learned to be happy. At kapag happy ka, i-share mo sa iba. That will be all for today. See you Thursday. It's Thursday, it's the last day of the week for us. Sa lahat ng mga equipment dito sa laboratory, ito yung pinakagusto namin.
Ito, sige, hawakan niyo pa.
Dito, magbubulalo kasi kami after class. Kapag hindi kami nakapunta sa Tagaytay, dito lang talaga kami magluluto. Sana payagan kami ni Sir.
Extra kami.
Thank you po. Tapos na class namin at pupunta tayo sa Talipapa. See you! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Talipapa. Anong binili mo?
Ano to ulit? Hindi,
Lumpia.
lumpia, 4. Tapos bibili pa ako na kwek-kwek.
Yun. Bumili ako sitaw kanina. Pang ulam mamayang gabi.
Yes, healthy.
And it's adulting 101. Daming klase, bye. Napakalayo nung Talipapa na yun! So ngayon, naghihintay na lang kami ng teacher namin sa General Physiology. Pero 10 pa, anong oras pa lang? Mga 9:20 pa lang, tapos wala pa. Aga kasi namin natapos. Yun lang. Wala na kayo share. Dami na. Maple cookies. Sobrang tamis. Parang hindi familiar yung dila ako sa ganito mga lasa. Look, this is my first quiz and I just got 5/10. This is how you start. This is how you start the
Semester.
This is how you start the semester. This is how you start the subject. Can't wait for more.
Bawal mag-ingay. You have to carry everything for it to not make noise.
Hindi ko sure pero sobrang mapagpanggap na mga dent ngayon. Look. Diba nagbabasa? Kunyari may mga sinesearch. Ito naman. Sobrang bitin pero dapat yung class kasi namin dapat hanggang alas 7 pa. Pero ang masasabi ko lang na natutunan ko ngayon ay dapat maging optimist. Kahit ano mang nangyaring masama sa buhay mo, katulad ng pagbagsak ko kanina, 5/10, huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa, marami pang chances, marami pang bumawi. Huwag kang gagaya sa akin, hindi ako pumasok nung first week, kaya wala akong naisagot. Basta sabihin ko lang sa'yo, stay hungry, stay foolish, kailangan dapat lagi empty ka. Dapat laging ready kang mapunuan ng bagong mga information, bagong mga lessons na magagamit mo sa buhay mo. That's all for the week. See you on our next episode. And of course, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, like and subscribe, and pwede nyo na rin itong i-share. Bye na talaga!